Just look at this Piper J3 CUB miniature model. Let me show you in 9 minutes how I made it out of pop sticks. To build this model you will need plan, link to the plan in the video description, some ice cream sticks, some pieces of sandpaper in different grid sizes. I glued this to the sticks for convenience, a sheet of sandpaper, preferably liquid say glue, and tools to make the plane. Start by cutting out the templates, then make the parts of the plane out of sticks, fuselage, wing, horizontal stabilizer. Glue the fuselage parts together, then sand the fuse to give it the shape of a real planned fuselage. The transition between the sides of the fuselage must be smoothed and the sharp edges rounded off. Now we will make the profile of the wing. The thickness part of the profile should be about 30% of the wing leading edge. Make a smooth rounding of leading edge to the top point, then sand the back part to a thickness of about 0.5 mm. The bottom of the wing should remain flat. The process of making the propeller is a bit tedious, but I got it right on the first try. I cut a strip of wood to the width of a prop, then scraped off the excess material with a knife. With some paper, give blades a realistic look. Before drilling the hole in, I soaked it in superglue. It will hold strength to the wood so the prop will not crack. Put the aircraft together. Glue the wheels, landing gear spacers. For wing struts I use toothpicks. Cut off pieces of a required length and glue them as shown in the video. Before painting the model, sand it with a high grit size sandpaper to make the paint even. Drill a hole for a pin which will hold the prop. During painting I will hold the plane on it. I fixed the prop to a piece of wire and put a drop of glue on the end so the propeller wouldn't fly off. It remains to put a flight number on the plane, and the copy of the aircraft in scale 1/120 is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. In the next video I will describe the process of assembling and connecting the electronic RC aircraft model. There will be a lot of interesting videos ahead.